Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our Max class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Today, we are going to continue this chapter with some word problems related with average. We had studied in our previous classes that average is equal to total divided by number. Total is equal to average multiplied by number and number is equal to total divided by average. Activity number 1. Milk math. Ramu checked his sale of milk for some days and calculated the average income to be 150 rupees per day. If he continues like this, how much can he expect from the sale of milk in June? Here, the average income from the sale of milk for some days is given as 150 rupees per day. We have to find out his expected total income from the sale of milk in June. Here, average income per day is equal to 150 rupees. Then tell me, how many days are there in June? Yes, there are 30 days in June. Then, total income he can expect from sale in June is equal to 150 multiplied by 30, that is equal to 4,500 rupees. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 2. Trade math. The income for 5 days of a trade are 6,435 rupees, 6,927 rupees, 6,855 rupees, 7,230 rupees and 6,562 rupees. After the 6th day, he calculated the average income as 6,500 rupees per day. How much did he get on the 6th day? Here, the income for 5 days are given. On totaling the 5 days income, we will get the total income for 5 days. Also, the average income for 6 days are given. We can find out the total income for 6 days from this. Then on finding the difference between the total income of 5 days from the total income of 6 days, we will get the income on the 6th day. Let's do it. The total income for the first 5 days is equal to 6,435 plus 6,927 plus 6,855 plus 7,230 plus 6,562, that is equal to 34,009 rupees. Next, average income of a day is equal to 6,500 rupees. Then, total income for 6 days is equal to 6,500 rupees multiplied by 6, that is equal to 39,000 rupees. Now, we got the total income for the first 5 days and the total income for 6 days. Then, income on the 6th day is equal to total income for 6 days minus total income for first 5 days. That is equal to 39,000 rupees minus 34,009 rupees. That is equal to 4,991 rupees. Is it clear for you? Activity number 3. Children were asked to donate books to the school library. Using the given details, fill up the table below. Here 4 classes 6A, 6B, 6C and 6D are given. And the number of children in each class, number of books they donated and the average number of books donated by each class are also given. We have to find out the missing numbers from them. Here, in 6A, the number of children is equal to 30 and the number of books they donated is equal to 120. Then, average is equal to number of books divided by number of children. That is equal to 120 divided by 30, that is equal to 4 books. Next, in 6b, the number of children is equal to 40 and the number of books is equal to 240. We have to find out the average. Then average is equal to number of books divided by number of children, that is equal to 240 divided by 40, that is equal to 6 books. Write 6 here. In 6c, the number of books donated by them is equal to 175 and the average number of books donated by them is equal to 5. We have to find out the number of children. Then the number of children is equal to number of books divided by average. That is equal to 175 divided by 5, that is equal to 35 children. Write 35 here. In 6d, the number of children is equal to 32 and the average number of books donated by them is equal to 10. We have to find out the number of books donated by them. Then the number of books donated by the children in 6d is equal to number of children multiplied by average. That is equal to 32 into 10, that is equal to 320 books. Write 320 here. I hope you all understood what I had taught in today's class. That's all for today, children. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.